Welcome! In this video, we will answer the question, which of the following most accurately describes your company's production or assembly operations? We will walk through the common categories, show simple diagrams, and give a quick guide for choosing the best match. Here are the most common categories you may see in a survey. We will cover each one with a simple picture. The categories are job shop or custom work, batch production, assembly line or mass production, continuous process, and project-based production. First, job shop or custom work. This means each order can be different, and the workstations are flexible. Products move in different paths depending on what the customer wants. Look at the diagram. Each item follows its own path. This is common in machine shops, custom furniture, or repair services. Second, batch production. Here, items are made in groups or batches. The process is repeated for each batch, and then the equipment is reset for the next batch. This is common in bakeries, clothing runs, and small manufacturing lots. In the diagram, notice the group of items moving together. Third, assembly line or mass production. This is a fixed sequence of steps. Products move down the line in the same order every time. This is common for electronics, cars, and packaged goods. In the diagram, the product moves from left to right along the line. Fourth, continuous process. Here, the product flows without stopping. Think of oil refining, chemical processing, or water treatment. The system runs all day, and the output is steady. In the diagram, notice the pipe and the flowing arrows. Fifth, project-based production. This is when you build one large, unique item. Examples include construction projects, ships, or custom buildings. The product stays in one place while people and tools move around it. In the diagram, the large block is the project, and the tools move to it. Now, how do you pick the most accurate description? A helpful way is to look at volume and variety. Volume means how many units you make. Variety means how different the products are. Low volume and high variety points to job shop. Medium volume and medium variety points to batch. High volume and low variety points to assembly line. And very high volume with almost no variety is continuous process. Projects are a special case. One big custom build. Quick recap. If your company makes unique items in flexible routes, choose job shop. If you make groups of similar items, choose batch. If you make high volume items in a fixed sequence, choose assembly line. If your process runs continuously, choose continuous process. If you build one large custom product, choose project-based. Use the volume and variety idea to confirm your choice. You now have a clear way to answer the question, which of the following most accurately describes your company's production or assembly operations? Thank you for watching.